welcome to the Jessica Lynn Original, how to download a free digital rubber stamp. The first thing that you're going to want to do is you are going to want to go ahead and visit our website. Our website is just JessicaLynnOriginal.com. When you bring up our website, a couple of things you're going to see right off the bat. Obviously our little bird logo, we'll be looking for Brentwood. Below that you're going to see an area where it drops down into clear stamps. So we do offer a full line of clear photopolymer stamps. We also make custom rubber stamps, but where we're going to be going today is to download digital rubber stamps. So go ahead and click on that link. Now, just so that you know, our digital stamps are seasonal, so they do change quite often. The only reason I say that is definitely go out and purchase the ones you want before they're gone. Now you can sort it by quite a few different things. Here I just sorted it by price. Reason being is that we always offer at least one free digital stamp. You can see currently we have a Brentwood and he's wearing just a cute little t-shirt. Here's a couple of samples of how we've colored him and added different designs on his t-shirt. Now with our digital rubber stamps, just so that you know, all the rights still remain with us. They are for personal use and card making, paper crafting. Just make sure that on the back of your item that you put that the image came from JessicaLynnOriginal.com. So the first thing you can do is you can add it to your cart, but if you want to see how other people have felt about this product, you can always go out and look at our reviews. We'll go ahead and add it to the cart. What it will do is it'll pop up telling you here's your digital stamp. It shows you a couple others that are available and you can see the price is free. Now we do ask you to do a checkout and it'll take you right into the checkout or the shopping cart, and what you're going to see is you can either continue as a guest or if you have an account you can log right in. So I'm going to go ahead and just log in real quick and then I'm going to go ahead and hit sign in. The next thing it's going to do is go ahead and verify the billing address. Now again, remember the stamp is free, but we do ask you to create an account with us. So go ahead and you'll enter in your information. And the reason that we do this is that this is a free digital stamp, although all rights to the imagery belong still to us, Jessica Lynn Original. So if for some reason you were to go in and use the stamp in a way that's not allowed, such as you're not allowed to use these for t-shirt designs or for logos or business stuff. Now you can see here I went ahead and hit submit and the payment is not required. So what it does is it actually goes through the checkout process, and you can see it tells you, thank you for checking out. You're going to get an email in just a few moments, and that email will allow you to download your digital rubber stamp. The other option would be to click on the Jessica Lynn Original logo and it'll take you back where you can log into your account and download it right away. So we're going to go ahead and get our email. In the email, it's going to tell you the order number. It's going to tell you, here's your free digital Brentwood owl. You just click on download files. It'll open up another window. And from there, it's going to come back and show you, here is your downloadable image. Our images do have a limit on how many times you can download them, so make sure that you watch that. So you click on that, it'll download it right to your desktop or to your download folder, wherever you store things. And you can see there's the image. Now from here, it is a JPEG, so you could import it into like a Word document, which is what I'll do here. So I'll open up Word, and then I'm going to go to Insert, Picture, and then I'm going to navigate to my digital download. So I click on that image and you can see I can put it right there on the website. Now I can expand and make this 8 by 10 and maybe I give it to my daughter to color, or if I'm doing a card swap and I've got 6 cards to produce, I'll probably want to try and see if I can squeeze them all onto one page of cardstock, which is what I'm doing right here. So you can see I can adjust it so I can fit all 6 on there if I was going to do 5 plus 1. Now, a lot of people have told me with the digital images that their printer maybe doesn't print as well as they'd like it to. A lot of my design team members in the past have actually sent them off to Kinko's to be printed, or you could print them at home. That's how easy it is to use one of our digital rubber stamps. I do thank you for watching this video. I'm going to go ahead and put a little subscribe up, so please subscribe to our channel. And then I'm also going to provide 2 more videos for you